Welcome to Peeves, Tips and Tricks, and I am Dr. Sherry Bainbridge. Color is amazing. Don't you love it? The beautiful reds and blues and greens and purples, all the amazing colors that we happen to have in this world. And I don't know what we would do without them, because they certainly help with our healing, help with our environment, and aid in our eyes just loving and absorbing all the amazing colors. Every single color has a frequency, and it's measurable, a vibration that affects everything around us. I happen to be able to wear apricot, but I cannot wear orange or yellow. If I do, the red undertones in my skin make me look green, and that's not a very healthy look. So I find ways in my home in order to add a little bit of yellow and orange so that I have all the colors I can possibly have without overloading any color at all. So I have a couple of burnt orange pillows in my living room and a chair that has a little bit of yellow and a little bit of orange in it. Because when we are resistant to a color, it is likely a color that we need healing from. So adding it in other parts of your life can be very beneficial to your health, your energy health, and your mental abilities. America medicine uses color and light therapy, such as when a baby's born and it has too much bilirubin in it. It uses a blue color to calm down the liver with this vibration, to cool it a bit, and then a light in order to warm the area to add circulation. And this aids the liver in removing the bilirubin from the baby without the use of any type of medicine or pharmaceutical. In the healing industry and health and cosmetic industry, color is used for many reasons. When you have a color wheel, and say you're using the color red, which is fabulous for cell rejuvenation and so forth, and you don't balance that color with the opposite side of the spectrum, you are leaving that client in an imbalance. Just anything that they can visually see and be near that can aid in rebalancing their energy rather than leaving with the high frequency of red emanating around them for hours to come. Restaurants use color, and other businesses use color. A restaurant is likely to use a color that will aid in the increase of appetite rather than the decrease of appetite. And it would be really helpful if the restaurants out there also used a little bit of color from the opposite of the spectrum, so when their patrons leave, they leave with a much better balanced energy rather than an overloaded appetite energy. So consider the colors that you have in your life. They're amazing and incredible. If you do have a home that's in black and white mainly, throw some color here and there, because we need that color for our thinking and creativity and our healing and our warmth and our love. If this is a subject that you're interested in, please do the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when these videos come out. Food has color. Are you aware that healthy, natural food from our earth that has not been processed, has not been pasteurized, has the energy of rainbow around it? It's a color that feeds our eyes and feeds our soul. It's a part of the energetic nutrition that comes from the food. And this is why we take a moment to look at our food and take in the beauty that it has, because the food that we consume has given up its life or part of itself in order to support us, and it needs respect. Divine love.